Okay, so I just give you a brief. So what on the simultaneous equations that will be involved for MAT133. So basically you will have involved of three form here. The first one will be index number, second one will be linear equations with two variables of three variables. The third one will be nonlinear equations. Okay, so you should know that to solve simultaneous equation you have two methods. Okay, so the first one will be elimination. Okay, the second one will be substitution. Okay, so without further ado, let us look into the first equation on index. Okay, this is actually I copied from March 14 question 4a. Okay, so you can see obviously here. Okay, so what you're supposed to do at the first place? What you're supposed to do at the first place? So you may need to, every time you see indices, first thing in your mind, you need to change it to what? Change it to, okay, change it to the simplest base form. Okay, so without further ado, let's start. Okay, so every time you see equation, first thing in your mind or your initial stage, please remember to name or given the numbers of the equation. So the first equation you just name as the first equation 1. Then the second equation you just name as 2. Okay, so we can start already. So from 1 you can change already. The 9 you change to 3 power of 2. Okay, the x is still remain multiply with 3y. So 1 over 81 is actually 3 power of 4 exactly. Okay, so after that 3, so multiply, your power will be plus exactly 1 over you have power of -4. So from here what can you see it? You can see you have the same base here. So once the same base you can straightly compare. Okay, so you just write down 2x plus y equal to -4. So this will be your equation 3. Is okay? So let us proceed with equation 2. So you just write from 2. Okay, so you have 2 power of 4x. 2 power of 4x. Okay, divide with 8 is 2 power of 3y. Okay, equal to 128 is 2 power of, okay, 2 power of 7. Correct. Okay, so if divide means, yes, the power will be minus exactly. So you have 4x minus with 3y equal to 2 power of 7. So obviously again, what can you see here? Yes, you have the same base form. If same base form, what you can do? Yes, you will compare. You just need to compare with the power. Okay, so from here, you will be equation 4. Okay, so obviously you got these two equations already. Okay, so what you're supposed to do? You can solve your simultaneous equation. Yes. Okay, so from here you have 2x plus y equal to -4. You have 4x minus 3y equal to 7. So how do you do it? Okay, either you can use elimination or substitution. It's based on your way of solving. Okay, so which one you want to choose? Yes, you can eliminate or even you can just substitute. Okay, so here if you want to eliminate your x, so meaning to say you have 4x here, so means that you need to have your equation 3 to be 4x as well. So meaning to say that here you need to have your 2x here, right? 2 times 2x is 4x. Or if let's say you want to eliminate your y, so meaning you said that your equation 3, you need to multiply with 3. So whichever that you feel you're convenient with. Okay, let's say that we want to eliminate x. Okay. Okay, so your equation 3, okay, you may need to times with 2. Okay, so means that you have 2. Okay, so substitute in. Okay, substitute in. So end up what do you have? You have 4x plus 2y equal to negative 8. Do remember, fair and square. Whatever you multiply, it consists of the left and also the right hand side. Okay, so here you have your equation 5. Okay, so you can start to eliminate already, right? So what you can do, write down your solution here. 4 minus 5. Okay, so write down your equation 4 minus your equation 5. Okay, okay, so 4x minus 4x, 0. Negative 3y minus 2y, you have negative 5y. Okay, so 7, negative 8, so 7 plus 8, you got 15. Okay, so obviously your y is 15 divided by negative 5, so you have negative 3. Okay, so just put it, name it as equation 6. So since that you have y already, so can you find your x? Yes, why not? Okay, which one that you want to choose? Actually any will do, right? So let's say that you want to have equation 3. Okay, you just substitute your 6 into 3, your equation 3. What's your equation 3? 2x plus y equal negative 4. 2x plus y equal negative 4. So 2x plus negative 3 equal to negative 4. So 2x equal to negative 4 plus 3. We have negative 1. Okay, so your x will be negative 1 over 2. So don't forget to rewrite your answer. Write down your x equal to negative 1 over 2, y equal to negative 3. So at the same time, you can check your answer as well. You can press 5. You go for 1. Okay, so you can start to key in already the equation just now. 4 and 5. Okay, so you press 4 equal negative 3 equal, you have 7. After that you have 4, you got 2, you got negative 8. Okay, so your x is 1 over 2, your y is negative 3. So we need to set that your answer is correct. See, x equal to negative 1 under 2, y equal to negative 3. So it means that your answer is correct. Is that okay? Okay, if wrong, so means that something wrong in between already. You get what I mean? Okay. Oh, if let's say you want to compare the original one, it can be done also. See, the original one is 2 and y, right? Okay, so 2, 1, negative 4. After that 4, negative 3, then 7. Okay, so that's why you have your answer. Have your answer x equal to negative 1 over 2, then y equal to negative 3. So that's the answer.